Assalamu alaikum. Myself Shamim Akhtar Binti. Welcome to my presentation. Today's presentation topic is about process synchronization in operating system. My student ID is 024 222 What is process synchronization? Definition. Process synchronizations is the coordinations of process that share resources to avoid conflicts and ensure data consistency. Main goal: prevent simulations access to critical resources by multiple processes. Why is process synchronization needed? To prevent data inconsistency caused by concurrent access, to coordinate executions order when processes depend on each other, to ensure system reliability in multitasking environment. Example: two banking apps updating the same account balance at the same time without synchronization may cause incorrect balance. How does process synchronizations work? Synchronizations work by identifying critical sections in programs, applying protocols to ensure only one process enters its critical section at a time, using locks, semaphores, or hardware instruction to manage accesses, ensures automate operations, individuals, and interruptible tasks. For example, if a process 1 is trying to read the data present in a memory locations while another process 2 is trying to change the data present at the same location, there is a high chance that the data read by the process 1 will be incorrect. Risk condition. When more than one process is either running the same code or modifying the same memory or any shared data, there is a risk that the result or value of the shared data may be incorrect because all processes try to access and modify these shared resources. Thus, all the processes race to say that my result is correct. This condition is called the risk condition. Since many processes use the same data, the result of the process may depend on the order of their execution. Requirements of synchronizations. To solve the critical section problem, any solution must satisfy mutual exclusion only on process in the critical section at a time. Process. If no one is the critical section, on process should be able to enter. Bounded waiting. No process should wait identifiably to enter its critical section. Synchronization harder. Use a special CPU instruction to enforce synchronization without interfaces. Test and set atomically. Test and modifies a lock variable. Compare and swap. Compares a value at memory location and swaps if expected. Pros: fast and slow level. Cons may lead to busy waiting CPU time, wasted spinning. Semaphore. Semaphore, a variable used to control access to a resources, types binary semaphore 0 or 1 like a lock. Counting semaphore allows a fixed number of processes to access operations. Wait or P decreases the semaphore if 0 block the process. Signal increases the semaphore, wakes up a waiting process. Conclusion. Synchronization is essential to prevent race condition and ensure data accuracy in concurrent system. Proper use of the semaphore, hardened instruction, and other tools ensures safe process interaction. A critical topic in operating system that ensures multitasking in safe and reliable. Thank you. That's all of my part.